Hi, Scorpio. Happy July 4th. Happy Independence Weekend. I'm Tess with God Sent Me Tarot, and this is Grogu. Yeah, hanging out with ya on a cool weekend. We're doing the fireworks tarot. And so we're taking a card from every one of these different tarots and oracles and the runes. And we're going to piece it all together and see what kind of message I can give you. Now, we got the Three of Swords starting out. All right, well, pain in your heart, Scorpio. See what we can do to ease your pain. Now we're going to do Mythical Goddess Tarot. Now, we all go through pain. Well, America, you know, we're the home of the free, home of the brave, land of the free. And, you know, we've all gone through pain here in all well over 200 years of America. But it all comes out. It all comes out. And here we are in this beautiful United States of America. God bless America. God bless America. So thanks for being here with us. I'm Tess, and this is Grogu. We're with God Sent Me Tarot, and every Saturday we're here. And this one we're doing a fireworks of tarot and oracles. All right, we got compassion. Oh, we got the Three of Seas, which is the Three of Cups, compassion. So you got the Three of Swords, and the Three of Compassion. Give and take, overlooking. Wow, that's kind of remarkable. Now we're going to do Moonology Oracle, okay? See what the moon has to say. Oh, yeah, here we go. Yep. We're only doing one of each. And it's a time to give rather than take. Wow. That's a new moon of Virgo, but it's time to give rather than take. That's funny because you got the Three of Swords, your heartache, and the Three of Seas, compassion, Three of Cups. All right. Wow. Okay, well that is give and take. That's give and take. And then here we are. Angels and ancestors, they gotta tell you. The Knight, be brave. Be brave and honest. Be brave and honest. All right, Scorpio, leading you on that path there. Ooh, I see it. Now we got angel answers. Rounding it up here. Seeing what's gonna go with the fireworks for Scorpio. Scorpio, your fireworks. Baby, you're a firework. Firework. Scorpio. Wow, look at that. Okay. Oh, if you believe. There you go. If you believe. Oh. If you believe. And this card is like, where did he go? Oh. I'm only doing one. And I am only doing one. Oh, goodness. It did say romance, but I'm only doing one. The fireworks. Just one of each. If you believe. If you you believe, Scorpio. All right, Starseed Oracle. Here we go. All right, rounding it up here for you. I certainly hope you enjoy our readings here that we give you here at God Sent Me Tarot. God says, hey. He says, hello, happy to see you, glad you came by. And the 7 Star Sisters, Birthing Creations, Tapestry of Life and Expression. 7 Star Sisters. I used to live in a place called 7 Stars. Birthing Creations, Tapestry of the Expressions. Wow. So you got 3 swords, hearts breaking. Then you got 3 of C's, compassion, because of your breaking heart. Then you got a time to give rather than take, okay? I think that it's your heart's breaking and compassion's coming. And then you're going to give. You're going to give rather than take. And then the Knight, Scorpio, be brave and honest. Well, that all comes along with that. Disagreements, whatever. It's a give and take situation, okay? So now we're going to do some runes. Here we go. Ready? Let's do it. Okay. Okay. Oh, Grogu loves the runes. Here we go. Oh, wow. New beginnings. New beginnings. I know, you did tell me. New beginnings. The blank rune. The blank rune. The blank rose quartz rune. New beginnings. Unknown. So we start out with the 3 of Swords. Heartache. Oh, Scorpio. Heartache. Then we have the 3 of C's. Compassion to heal your heartache. Oh. And then a time to give rather than a time to take. Okay? A time to give. Don't take. Yeah. Yes. Yep. Don't take. And then you got the Knight. You got to be brave. You got to be honest about it. Scorpio, be brave and honest. And in turn, maybe you'll have people being honest with you too. Okay? Be brave. Be brave and honest. And then if you believe, you have to believe, Scorpio. You have to do it. And then you got the 7 Star Sisters. That just cracks me up. 7 Star Sisters. That's me and my sister. We were both in the military, though, by the way. Yes, we were both in the military. Yes, we served our country. So that's funny. 7 Star Sisters. That reminds me of her. Birthing Creations, Tapestry of Life Expression. Now just know that we're all in this. We are one tapestry together here in this universe. So you can start anew. Okay? You can start anew. All right? Scorpio. Happy Independence Weekend. Happy 4th of July. You know what to do now, okay? And may God bless you. He says, hey, how you doing, by the way? And we'll see you next Saturday. So enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your experience. Enjoy your growth. So we'll see you soon.